Have you guys ever wondered how Netflix works? Like, Netflix is the world's largest online streaming services. How did that happen? What does Netflix do that its competitor don't? Well, today we're going to talk about the science behind Netflix. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stay tuned for the video ahead. Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman. And do you remember the times when we were eagerly waiting for our favorite TV shows to air and missing even a single episode was completely heartbreaking, right? And there wasn't any other way to watch it again. But now, thanks to the flexibility online media services, streaming services are providing, we don't have to worry about missing any of the episodes, right? So, which shows are you currently watching? Let us know in the comments because I am currently watching Money Heist on Netflix. I know I'm a bit late on the wagon, but needless to say, it's an awesome, awesome show, right? Now, Netflix is considered to be one of the biggest internet television network with over a whopping 221 million paying subscribers across the globe. It started off in 1997 and it allowed people to actually rent DVDs online, and in 2007 it came out with its own streaming services, right? Now customers could watch shows and movies on their computers, TV screens, phones, or even their gaming devices, right? Now, as of 2022, Netflix is one of world's largest online streaming services. But how did that happen, right? What does Netflix do that their competitors don't? Well, the answer is machine learning, AI, and big data analytics, right? Now, Netflix uses a content delivery network to store and transcript movies and TV shows. Now, first, Netflix, they give the content when negotiating licensing deals with TV shows and filmmakers, right? Depending upon whichever location they are based or their popularity or even their purchasing rights, right? Now, Netflix, what it usually does is it displays different content for its user across the globe. So that is why what someone might be watching in US might be different from what we are watching in India, right? But do you know there are certain few shows and movies which are common to all the users irrespective of their location? So, Netflix original streams like House of Cards, Queen's Gambit, Money Heist, Squid Game, etc., right? So I'm sure we must have all watched that. Now, Netflix has over 25,000 movies and shows, and it is nearly impossible for us to find out what we'd like to watch. So, how does Netflix recommend the shows, right? Now, to do this, Netflix uses its recommendation engine. Now, imagine if you were new to Netflix in the beginning. So, you'll have to take up this survey and you pick up these genres that you're interested in. Remember, when you sign up, you pick up these genres, right? After that, Netflix fine tunes its recommendations to provide you with a more personalized experience, right? Which means my recommendation list will be completely different from your recommendation list, and this is where machine learning is necessary because this method uses user data to make informed suggestions. Data such as what you have watched previously, whatever has been your search history, and so on. So all of this complex data is analyzed and finally a conclusion is drawn. So in addition to these personalized engines, what catches your attention? Well, I'm sure the thumbnails do, right? Visually appealing thumbnails that grab attention, and that is something we click on there. Even if we don't have never really heard of a show or never really heard of a movie, the thumbnails are so attractive, we definitely go and check it out, right? So Netflix doesn't usually, they use the show's original camera, to click photographs or something like that. They use algorithm to extract high quality images from the respective videos with the help of a static visual analysis, right? And Netflix comes up with these great thumbnails, right? And that is what grabs everybody's attention and everybody's clicking watching shows, and movies. So this was all about the science behind Netflix in a very basic layman term. Netflix, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like and share it. Also subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos from Inset.